Hello, listener. The purpose of this audio piece is to help you become more comfortable with using the public washroom. If you have ever felt any form of shyness or discomfort when going into a public restroom, then please be aware that you are not alone. As you listen to this recording, you will become immersed in the orchestra of flushing toilets, running water, and people attending to their natural business. Key word there is natural, as in it is in our nature to attend to our bowel movements, and fear should not get in the way of that. You have nothing to fear for. You may begin by first listening to this in the comfort of your own personal washroom and slowly move to a public washroom when you feel like you are ready. Let us begin. Now we shall move on to a larger public washroom with more traffic. Take comfort in the fact that no one cares about what you are doing, as they are too busy thinking about themselves.
Standard deviation for